Welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling like your photography has hit a bit of a plateau or is starting to feel a bit monotonous, you're not alone. Today we're going to be talking about how to break out of that rut and inject a new lease of life into your work. Whether you're stuck in a creative loop or just looking for new inspiration, I'm going to share 5 strategies that can help you inject fresh energy into your photography. So let's dive in. Number 1. Explore new locations. Venturing out to new places can reignite your creative spark by exposing you to different environments, cultures and subjects. Whether it's nearby towns you've never visited or a different part of the city or a completely new country, fresh surroundings provide endless inspiration. New locations challenge you to adapt and see the world through a different lens, often leading to unique and unexpected opportunities break away from the usual patterns. Number 2, set yourself creative challenges. Creative challenges push you to think outside the box and experiment with ideas you might not typically consider. For example, you could challenge yourself to shoot only in black and white for a week, which I've recently done. Focus on capturing a specific emotion or work with a theme like reflections or shadows. These challenges force you to break out of your routine, encouraging you to explore different perspectives and techniques that can lead you to new discoveries and reinvigorate your photography style. Number 3, learning new techniques. Mastering new techniques can dramatically change the way you approach your photography. Whether it's experimenting with long exposures, playing with light painting, trying macro photography, or learning to use off-camera flash. New skills can open up new creative possibilities that you haven't considered before. Learning and applying these techniques will not only add a variety to your portfolio, but will also deepen your understanding to the craft, making your work more dynamic and engaging. Number 4, photography tutorials and workshops. Sometimes all it takes to break out of your creative rut is to learn from others. Watching photography tutorials online can introduce you to new ideas, tips and tricks that you might have not thought of on your own. Whether it's post-processing techniques, composition tips, or advice on working with models, tutorials can provide that fresh perspective you need to reinvigorate your passion for photography. Kinda like what you're doing right now, to be honest. Consider doing a workshop in real life. This allows you to engage directly with instructors and peers. This interactive environment means you can ask questions and get immediate feedback and learn through real-time demonstrations. Seeing how other photographers approach their work can inspire you to try new things and help you to refine your own style. The collaborative atmosphere often sparks creativity and opens up new perspectives. Workshops are a great place to meet like-minded individuals who share your passion for photography. Networking with other photographers can lead to collaborations, new friendships, and opportunities to learn from each other's experiences and styles. I've seen this firsthand in the workshops that I run, and if you're interested in attending any of those, I'll drop a link directly below. Last but not least, and probably my favorite of all, number 5, take a break. While it might seem counterintuitive, sometimes the best way to inject new energy into your photography is to step away from it for a while. Taking a break allows you to recharge your creative batteries, gain new perspectives, and return with a fresh mind. During this time, you might find inspiration in other art forms such as nature or even in everyday moments you might normally overlook. When you come back to your camera, you're likely to have a renewed sense of purpose and creativity, ready to approach your photography with fresh enthusiasm. By incorporating these strategies I've talked about today into your routine, you'll be able to shake off that monotony, rediscover your passion, and bring a new level of energy to your creativity and your photography. I hope you found today's video helpful. If so, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And for more street photography tips, why not join one of my street photography workshops in London or online if you're not in the country. Details and dates on my website, and I'll be linking them below. I hope to see you there. Until next time, Mr. Whisper over and out. Peace.